guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So besties, today we are going to be losing my 2 months braid. I carried this braid for 2 months. Okay, this is my hair. You guys can see it. This is my 2 months braid. Okay, so I am going to be taking this down. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comments, and sharing the video as well. All right, so if you've not seen my routines and the rest, it's going to be dropped in the chat. You can check my clove, you can check my rosemary, you can just check from 2 months above. Those are the routines I've been doing on my hair. Okay, I didn't create a special playlist for this. Okay, so yeah, those are the routines I've been doing and they are really effective. So let's just jump into today's video. So guys, before I start losing my hair, I want to do a detangling, DIY detangling product. Okay, I want to use flaxseed, so I'm going to be adding like 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. You can use as much as you want. So I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. Then I'll be adding fenugreek seed as well. I added 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. So this is the two of them. They are boiling. After it's done boiling, I will strain and get out the gel. So it's the gel I'll use to detangle my hair as I'm losing it, so that it's more easier for me to lose the hair and remove every knot. So this is what I am doing. I'm going to strain. After straining, this is what the product end result of our product, and I will transfer it into my bottle. I already made this previously. You guys have already seen how I made this. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using to the condition to lose my hair. So I have my combs, I have the cap, everything. So let's just jump into today's video. So this is what I am going to use. Put it on my hair because we need my hair to be wet, okay, so that we can lose it well. I'm going to do it like this because it's more easier for me. So guys, there's water inside. Put enough. I am done applying this, so I'm going to allow this to sit in my hair for like 10 minutes before we start to lose. It's still remaining, so I'll use this one after I have finished losing my hair to reapply again. This is after 10 minutes. I am going to part my hair so I can start losing it. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start losing my hair from the ends. Okay, like unravel the little twist I have there. Okay, I'll go in between my comb and my hand. Okay, so this comb, I had to change that comb because that comb has a lot of it's not smooth, so it might be dragging my hair. So I had to use the one that is smooth, like this one. Okay, so after this I will use my hand, use my comb, use my hand, use my comb. That's what I'll be doing till I get to the end of the hair, which I'll use my hand to finally separate everything. So this is the hair loss I have, just losing the back of my hair. So this is the back of my hair. This is what it looks like. And I'll continue losing the rest of my hair. So here is the front. Okay, I'm going to do same thing I did with the back, which is first of all unravel the twist I have been under, like on the tips of my hair. Then I'll go back with my comb, and I'll use the comb to pull out the hair. Not pull it too well. Pull it in a way whereby I can use my hand to separate the hair. Yeah, that's what I mean. So after I do that, when I get to the tip, like to the ending part of my hair, I will use my hand to separate everything because that place is all tied together because of it's a long time I carry the braid, and that place is knotted. You understand? So I have to use my hand to remove every knot from that place. I hope you enjoy what I'm trying to say. If you watch this extent, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So I'll also be telling you guys or showing you guys my length and yeah, everything. So this is what I mean by using my hand to pull it out. It was giving me a kind of small trickiness, but I just had to use my hand to pull out everything because here is all knotted together. So I had to use my hand to pull each strand of my hair and make sure my hair is all separated. That's what I mean previously. So this one I have loosed it, and I will try and lose the rest of my hair. So guys, I am done losing my hair. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to use this to do my final detangling process. So besties, I am going to keep on applying this gel on my hair, finger detangle, and I also try to use my comb to as well detangle before I wash it. I got this comb, it's very wide, so I try to use it to detangle my hair. So I noticed that okay, my hair is still a bit tangled, so I just have to like go back with my fingers and detangle with my finger more. So guys, I'm done detangling my hair. This is what it looks like. And what I notice is that my hair is full. Okay, my hair is really full. So I'm just doing like a random length check. Okay, this is where my hair is reaching me. And yeah, after this, I will wash my hair, do a detangling, a wash day routine, which will come out after this video. So this is the hair loss I have after only detangling, like losing my hair. Yeah, this is the hair loss I have losing my hair. Yeah, so this is it. Then this is after wash day, everything. So I'm going to be giving you guys my length. So I don't know if my hair grew or not, we'll find out. But what I know is that my hair is full. My hair is really full. So I'm still going to wash my hair again because that's the treatment I did has not washed out very well. If you can check. So touching my hair from like this is full. Previously, my hair is not full like this. Okay, like my hair is not full. It's always scanty at the tip, but this is full from the end to the tip. So I am going to try and get the accurate measurement as much as I can. Okay, so right here is showing me like 11 and a half thereabout. And if I see my previous measurement of my hair, I'll try and put it on the screen as well. So what I have gotten from this is that my hair is full. That's what I got from this. So if I check my previous measurement and is a bit longer than this, I'll know, okay, we still retain length. But if it is shorter than this, I know, okay, I lost a lot of hair, but my hair intends to be full. My hair is full. I noticed that one. My hair is full. So here we are having like 13 and a half, thereabout. 13 and a half, thereabout, or 13, thereabout. But if I check, and also this side, I got 13 too. And I'll also try and check the back of my hair and to know what I will get at the back of my hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will I be trying this challenge? Yes, I will. I'll do it again because my hair got fuller than before. Yeah, it got fuller than before. And for the length retention, I'll let you guys know. So that place I got like 10 and a half. Yeah, so this is my hair, and I'm going to braid it again, and we'll do another challenge with maybe 2 months or 1 month, I don't know. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. This is my total hair loss I had after the whole wash day.